What's up guys, it's Omar back here at Cowboys Customs with another video. Yo! This is our first unboxing video, and today we have the Kryptonite Suspension package for your 2011 to 2022 any GM 2500 truck. This is a heavy-duty big boy kit. Basically, the kit comes with brand new tie rods, a brand new center link, and when I mean it's big, this stuff is very beefy. It is heavy duty. You guys follow along to go ahead and check out what's inside this box when you get it. So this is a 2-box kit whenever you do receive this. So you get your big boy kit, your main kit that's gonna have your longer parts, and then you got this one here. Let's start off by opening this box. One of the cool things about Kryptonite is they do have this no fine print warranty. So something here that you can get powder coated. Comes with 2 heavy small boxes. Correction, 3. Hardcore steering is what Kryptonite gives you. This is heavy duty for anybody that's been having trouble blowing out their tie rods, blowing out their pitman arms. All bubbled up real nice. You got your hardware. Let's go one by one. You got your beefy pitman arm. And I mean, this is heavy duty. Extremely heavy duty. And another pitman arm. So in this kit, in the first box, you're basically gonna get your beefy pitman arm, which is extremely heavy duty. You get your idler arm, which is also extremely heavy duty and greasy. And you get your idler arm support with the frame bracket. Now, Kryptonite makes you some heavy duty kits, and of course, you get some very good hardware. So a lot of times whenever you have your idler arms, your pitman arms, your tie rods that keep going out on these heavy duty trucks, especially when it's lifted, some people work in these trucks, some people don't. But especially if you do work in this truck, you jump these trucks, you go through the mud, you do whatever you want to do, Kryptonite basically has a solution for that. They offer heavy duty parts, heavy duty tie rods, which is going to be in this next box that we're going here, heavy duty center links, which is basically going to help you out whenever you're on the road. And now for the big boy. I have a nice little message here from Kryptonite. Now, this when things get a little heavy, you get 1 dumbbell looking tie rod, 2 dumbbell looking tie rods, and then this is your bench press center link. When I mean this is heavy, guys, it doesn't get heavier than this. This is exactly what you're gonna need to make sure that you don't wear off when you're jumping your truck. Kryptonite basically offers upgrades to your original setup, your original lift kit that you have, that basically offers a solution that a lot of these other companies do not. These are really heavy parts, very heavy duty, very durable, and if any of these break, they will replace it. And that's something that a lot of these other companies don't do. So make sure you guys check out Kryptonite products. They have all different types of upgrade needs for your truck. And yeah, you can also check us out at cowboyscustoms.com. Check us out on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, to be able to learn more about some of these products.